Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K.K. Misra. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on business mathematics. Wherever possible with solutions. Solutions are also given to some questions in succeeding slides. This is part 2. Now come to the questions. Question number 1. If 16 PR minus 1, 15 PR minus 1 is equal to 16 is to 7, then find R. Here actually this whole video tutorial based on permutation and combination. So here correct option is A, 10. 2. In a colony, there are 55 members. Every member posts a greeting card to all the members. How many greeting cards were posted by them? If you calculate, solution is given in the succeeding slides. Don't worry. Here correct option will be C, 2970. 3. Find the number of ways of arranging the letters of the words danger so that no vowel occupies odd place. You calculate, you will find it to be C as correct answer 144. 4. Find the sum of all 4-digit numbers that can be found by the digits 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 without repetition. If we calculate, you will find the correct answer to be B, that is 4 times 6 0 0. 5. If NPR is equal to 3024 and NCR is equal to 126, then find N and R. So the correct option is A, 994. 6. Find the number of rectangles and squares in an 8 by 8 chessboard respectively. If you calculate, you will find it to be B, 1092 and 204. 7. There are 20 points in a plane. How many triangles can be formed by these points if 5 are collinear? Here correct option is A, 1130. 8. In how many ways we can select 6 people out of 10 of which a particular person is not included? So the correct option is C, that is 9C6. 9. Number of circular permutations of different things taken all at a time is factorial n. True or false? It is false. 10. Is the given statement true or false? NCR is equal to NCR minus R. It is true. So correct option is A. 11. There are 12 points in the plane out of which 5 are collinear. The number of triangles formed by the points as vertices is, so here correct option is B, 210. 12. The number of combinations of n distinct objects taken are at a time Bx is given by, here correct option is D, NCR. 13. 4 dice are rolled. The number of possible outcomes in which at least one dice show 2 is, here correct option is B, 671. 14. If repetition of the digits is allowed, then the number of even natural numbers having 3 digits is, here correct option is C, 450. 15. The number of ways in which 8 distinct toys can be distributed among 5 children is, here correct option is A, 5 to the power 8. Don't worry, solutions are given. You can refer to the solutions. 16. The value of P n minus 1 is, here correct option is C, factorial n. This is always true. 17. In how many ways can 4 different balls be distributed among 5 different boxes when any box can have any number of balls? So here correct option is B, 5 to the power 4. 18. The number of ways of painting the faces of a cube with 6 different colors is, here correct option is A, 1. 19. Out of 5 apples, 10 mangoes and 13 oranges, any 15 fruits are to be distributed among 2 persons. Then the total number of ways of distribution is, the correct option is C, 1008. 26 men and 4 women are to be seated in a row so that no 2 women sit together. The number of ways they can be seated is, here 604800. Correct option is A. 21. The number of ways can the letters of the word assassination be arranged so that all the S are together is, the correct option is D, 1,51,200. 22. If a repetition of the digits is allowed, Then the number of even natural numbers having 3 digits is again C 450. 23. Let Tn denote the number of triangles which can be formed using the vertices of a rectangular polygon on n sides. And if Tn plus 1 minus Tn is equal to 21, then n equals, here correct option is B, 7. 24. How many ways are here to arrange the letters in the word garden with the vowels in alphabetical order? So here correct option is C, 360. 25. How many factors are 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 2 are perfect squares? So here correct option is A, 24. 26. A student is to answer 10 out of 13 questions in an examination such that he must choose at least 4 from the first 5 questions. The number of choices available to him is, here correct option is B, 196. 27. 4 dice are rolled. The number of possible outcomes in which at least one dice show 2 is, correct option is B, 671. 28. In how many ways in which 8 students can be seated in a line is, here correct option is B, 40,320. 29. The number of squares that can be formed on a chessboard is, here correct option is D, 204. 30. How many 3-letter words with or without meaning can be formed out of the letters of the word logarithms if repetition of letters is not allowed? So the correct option is A, 720. So this was all about the narration on this set of 30 questions on based on permutation and combinations. Now this is followed by the solutions of almost all the questions or hints. You can go for these and understand in these very slides. I hope this will definitely help you in understanding such questions, and this will be of a great help to you in attempting questions in the examinations whenever they are asked. So this is why I am supplying this video tutorial to you. It really helps you and it is of some benefit to you. This is all about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R Classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.